Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Huda's Anything Anywhere, and in this video we're going to discuss physics, refraction of light at curved surfaces, about concave mirror and convex mirror. So let's get started. Now in this video I'll be starting about, already I have said you the terms denser, rarer, mediums. What are denser, medium, rarer, mediums in my previous videos. I've already said you what is principal axis, what is center of curvature, what is normal. I have said you what is pole, etc. So on basis of that only we have all these. So let us see, we were going to see the mirrors, convex mirror. On that we are going to see the ray diagram. So this is a convex mirror and this is the principal axis. Okay, this is the principal axis, this is the convex mirror. Suppose a light is parallel to the principal axis. You can see it is parallel to the principal axis, and this is a convex mirror and it is parallel to the principal axis. What will happen is, this light ray will come and join to the principal axis after meeting the convex mirror. Okay, you need to draw these arrows. Don't forget to draw these arrows. And then this is your normal. The blue lights, the blue rays are normal, and this is your center of curvature. This is, we are talking about convex mirror, and hence you should remember what is f1, what is f2, where it is situated, f1 and f2, c1 and c2. I'll be showing that also. First I'll do it clear, neatly. Okay, I'm so sorry for that. Yeah, now it is straight somewhat. Now I'm drawing the arrows also. You need to draw the arrows. This is the normal, that is your center of curvature. Okay, now you have to draw the arrows. I have already said that. Now f1 and f2, then c1 and c2. In convex and concave it is different. So see, this is, first of all, this is happening from rarer to denser. Leave about f1 and f2. First remember that this is about rarer to denser. When the light ray is passing from rarer to denser, it will meet the principal axis. Suppose if I am taking air as air medium and water as denser medium, if the light ray is coming from air to water, it is meeting to the principal axis after hitting or striking the convex surface. Now let us see the another situation where this is the convex mirror. You can see this is the principal axis, this is the convex mirror, a principal axis, and now this is a line with a light ray which is parallel to the principal axis again. This light ray, what is happening is that it will move away from the principal axis. It is going to move away from the principal axis. In before you would have seen it was denser to rarer. Now this is rarer to, this is, before was rarer to denser, now this is denser to rarer medium. Like from water to air medium. If the light ray is coming from water medium, it moves to air medium and it moves away from the principal axis. And you can see the blue light rays are nothing but your normal, that is your center of curvature. So here you can see it is moving away. You need to draw the arrows definitely without fail. Okay, this is a rule, you don't have to forget the arrows. So you can see the difference between from rarer to denser and denser to rarer. This was about convex, and now we are going to see about concave mirror. Now let us see about concave mirror. We are taking this as a mirror, this is a mirror, and this is again a principal axis. Okay, this is a principal axis. Now here again we are going to take denser to rarer or rarer to denser. Suppose this is a line, this is a light ray which is parallel. And before you would have seen that it was coming from left, but in concave mirror it will come from right. The light ray is coming from right side. It is parallel to the principal axis and it is coming from right. You need to draw the arrows also. Don't forget arrows. I'm repeating again. Suppose the light ray is coming from rarer to denser medium, from air medium to water medium. In convex it was from rarer to denser, means it was coming and joining to the principal axis. But now that it is a concave mirror, the light ray will move away from the principal axis. Okay, in convex, rarer to denser means it was coming and joining to the principal axis, right? Rarer to denser was coming and joining in convex. In concave, rarer to denser means going away from the principal axis, and the light rays coming from the right side. Don't forget to draw the arrows again. Now, so this was all about one situation of concave mirror. We are going from rarer to denser medium. Correct. Now, let us see one more thing. Now, yeah, this blue light rays, or you can see the blue dotted lines, this shouldn't be drawn towards left side. This should be drawn towards the right side, because the mirror, all the rays are coming from right side, means the normal will be also in the right side only, and we have seen the center of curvature. In convex, it was on left side, so we kept all the we were keeping the normal is all, yeah, we were keeping the normal, this side, wherever the light ray was coming from, we were keeping the normal that side, but here we are keeping normal in this side, in the rarer medium. Okay. Yes, so what you were able to see, it was coming in the, I'm again explaining, it was in convex mirror, it was coming from right side and it was joining to the principal axis. Now it is coming from the right side, and it is moving away. In convex, it was coming from the left side and joining to the principal axis from rarer to denser. Here in rarer to denser, in concave mirror, what is happening? It is coming from the right side and moving away from the principal axis. My next video will be uploaded soon. Till my next video, bye. Thanks for watching.